Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today here we are going to understand three different functions. We have the sum function in Excel, we have the SUMIF and SUMIFS. So first of all we will start with the sum function. So to begin any function in Excel you have to start with an equal to sign. So I will say equal and then I will begin with my function which is sum, and I will press the tab key to open the parenthesis, and then it is asking me to specify the numbers that I would like to add. So I will select here, this is my range which starts from D2 to D9. So this is my range which I would like to add. So I will close the bracket and I will press enter. So when I press enter, you can see the total of these values is 58. So I'm getting a 58 here. Right, so the next function we have is a SUMIF function, where it allows you to add the numbers with a given criteria. So the criteria can be given by you, like just like here in this example I have used a criteria which is apples. So from the product list I would like to add the total of the quantity which belongs to apples, right? So let's look at the function now. So I will start my function with an equal to sign, and then I will say sum if. This time I'm going to use it sum if. So it says that it adds the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. So here my condition or criteria is apples, right? So I will press the tab key. Now it is asking me to select the range. So the range will be the criteria range here. So my criteria range is from here, which starts again from A2 until A9. I will press comma. I will select my criteria, which is apples here. I will press comma again, and then I have to select my sum range. So my sum range would be from D2 to D9. So when I close the bracket here, you can see the result is 8. So it has given me the value which is for apples here. So the quantity of apples have been added here. So apples, the first row here, you can see the quantity is 5, and then here you can see that on the 7th row the quantity is 3, right? So 5 plus 3 is 8. So in this way you can use the SUMIF function and you can specify a single criteria or a condition, and then you can get the total of the same. Now let's take the SUMIFS function. So here it allows you to add multiple criterias. So let's understand how this function will work. So you will press equal to, and this time I will use SUMIFS because here I have got two criterias. So I'll use SUMIFS. Press the tab key. Now it is asking you to specify your sum range first. So I will select my sum range, which is from D2 to D9, right? And then press comma, criteria range 1. So my criteria range 1 is the region. So I will select my region here, which is here, region, and then comma. It is asking me to specify the criteria. What is the criteria? The criteria is given here, which is this one, C15, and then you can press comma again. You can specify your criteria range 2. So the criteria range 2 will be for the salesperson. So I will select this, and then I will press comma again, and it will ask me to specify the criteria 2. So the criteria 2 here belongs to cell C16. So I will type C16 here, and I will close my bracket. So when I close my bracket here, the result is 17, right? So basically what it did is, in the table here, it basically selects the criteria, the first criteria, which is north. So from north is my first criteria. So I have got 1, 2 and 3 results for north. But from here, if you see, in north, Sam has also done some sales in north, so we will not count that. We are only looking out for the sales done by Mike in the north region. So that is 5. And then the last one here is also done by Mike, which is in the north region, which is 12. So 12 plus 5 is 17. So we are getting the result here, which is 17. So I hope that this video has been informative for you, and please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.